The earth sustains us. It provides us with air, water, and food. Our modern lives, however, have created a disconnect from this fundamental truth. We have become consumers, detached from the natural world and its rhythms. Eco-living calls us back to our roots. It is a way of life that recognizes our interconnectedness with nature and strives to live in a way that honors this delicate balance. Eco-living is not about perfection. It is about making conscious choices every day. It is about understanding that even small actions can have a ripple effect, contributing to a healthier planet for present and future generations. As we begin to embrace eco-living, we embark on a journey of rediscovering the joy of living in harmony with nature. This journey starts with simple steps, each one a testament to our commitment to a more sustainable future. Through embracing eco-living, we reclaim our role as caretakers of this planet. We honor the ancient wisdom that teaches us to live in balance, taking only what we need and giving back in equal measure. This is the essence of eco-living, a life of reciprocity, respect, and responsibility towards our earth. Our kitchens are fertile grounds for embracing eco-living. Instead of discarding fruit and vegetable peels, we can compost them. Composting transforms kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich soil amendments, reducing waste and closing the loop in our food system. We can further reduce our environmental impact by switching to natural cleaning products. Bioenzymes created through the fermentation of fruit peels offer a powerful alternative to chemical-laden cleaners. Soap nuts, the dried berries of the soapberry tree, are another natural wonder. These berries contain saponins, a natural surfactant that creates a gentle lather. Using soap nuts for laundry and washing dishes reduces our reliance on harsh chemicals, protecting both our health and the environment. Extending our eco-conscious practices beyond our homes, we can embrace natural farming methods. Permaculture, agroforestry, and other regenerative practices work in harmony with nature, promoting biodiversity and soil health. These methods prioritize natural inputs, minimizing the need for synthetic fertilizers and pesticides that can harm ecosystems. The food we choose to eat has a profound impact on our health and the health of the planet. By opting for organic produce, we support farming practices that prioritize soil health and biodiversity while avoiding the harmful effects of pesticides and herbicides. Millets, ancient grains known for their resilience and nutritional value, offer a climate-resilient alternative to water-intensive crops like rice and wheat. Choosing indigenous seeds further strengthens biodiversity and preserves the legacy of traditional farming practices. These seeds, adapted over generations to local conditions, contribute to food security and resilience in the face of climate change. Embracing the wisdom of our ancestors, we can revitalize our food systems, making them more just, equitable, and sustainable. The humble cow, an integral part of many traditional cultures, exemplifies the interconnectedness of eco-living. Desi cows, indigenous breeds adapted to local environments, provide us with dung, a valuable resource for natural farming. Cow dung serves as a natural fertilizer, pest repellent, and biofuel, demonstrating the cyclical nature of sustainable living. Beyond our food choices, we can find inspiration in ancient wisdom traditions that emphasize holistic well-being. Natural cures passed down through generations offer gentle yet effective remedies for common ailments. Incorporating more raw foods into our diets provides our bodies with essential enzymes and nutrients, promoting vitality and longevity. Fasting, practiced in many cultures for centuries, offers a myriad of health benefits, from detoxification to cellular regeneration. Regular exercise, whether it's yoga, tai chi, or simply walking in nature, is crucial for physical and mental well-being. Sound and music have long been recognized for their healing properties. Chanting, listening to calming music, or simply spending time in nature's symphony can soothe our souls and restore inner peace. These practices remind us that true well-being encompasses not just our physical health, but also our mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being.